Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful peacock using paper quilling strip. So this video will contain two parts and this is the first part of the series, and in this part I will show you how to create this gorgeous white peacock, and in the next part I will show you all the flowers, leaves and the decoration. This is a huge project, so I have divided in two parts. I'm sure you will enjoy this. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this we need some 3mm quilling strips, quilling tool, scissor, liquid glue, some 2mm strips to create peacock, silicone glue, some flower punches of different shapes, foam pad, ball tool, mount board and black color sheet. First I am showing you how to create these small shapes. So I am starting with this heart shape. For this I am taking 1/8 strip of white and 1/8 strip of light brown color and making one teardrop shape. In the same way I have already created one teardrop. So I am joining both the teardrops with each other. And the heart is ready. So we need total 40 hearts. Now for the next shape I am taking 1/8 strip of white color and making one leaf shape. Like this. In the same way we need 80 white leaves, and these are using peach color strips, so we need 30 peach leaves. Now these teardrops are made using 1/8 strip of light brown and 1/8 strip of peach color, and we need total 60 teardrops. Now I will show you these loop shapes. For this I am taking white color strip. First create 3 loops in increasing order. Cut excess strip. Secure the end, and I'm connecting gray color strip with this and making one more loop. For all these shapes I am using 2mm strips, but you can also use 3mm strips. So this is done. In the same way we need total 50 loops. So shapes are ready. Now I have drawn this peacock on 8 cm by 10 cm measurement, and I will start with the eye, which is created using 1/8 strip of black and 1/8 strip of off-white, and this is a simple tight leaf shape. And for the beak I have created these two semicircles using 1/8 strip of dark brown and 1/8 strip of peach color. This is a simple peacock sketch, nothing very hard doing this. Now I will start adding peach color leaf shapes in the border. So complete this till this point. So this is done. Now I am filling rest of the portion using white color leaf shapes. So after adding white shapes, it will look like this. Now I am taking these light brown color teardrops and using the silicone glue, I will start adding these teardrops one by one. Here I am using silicone glue because I want to give it little 3D look. So we can tuck these shapes and stand it 3D using the silicone glue. So complete this portion. Now I am taking these loops and again using the silicone glue I am connecting loops one by one. So after adding loops, it will look like this. Isn't it looking natural? Now I'm starting with the heart shapes and again using the same silicone glue, I'm filling the rest of the wing part. So after adding all the hearts, this is done. So the upper body of the peacock is ready. Now I will show you how to create the feather. This is quite popular feather. Now I am taking 1/3 strip of dark brown, half strip of light brown and 1/3 strip of dark brown and making tight teardrop dome. Now I'm taking half strip of peach color and making bended semicircle. Connecting the semicircle with the teardrop. Wrapping this whole petal using light brown color strip. Now I have already created one pendant leaf shape using half strip of white. So I will show you how to do this. For this I am taking half strip of white and create one bended leaf shape. Now I am connecting both the leaves with the teardrop shape. and wrapping this whole petal using peach color strip. So this is done. Now I'm taking this small piece of white color paper, just folding from the center and cutting it like a feather shape. Now taking one small piece of golden wire and connecting this wire between these two white pieces. Like this. Now I am cutting this shape using scissor, and here I am making some small fringes all over the edge of the feather. Now I am connecting this quill shape on top of this. So feather is ready. In the same way, I have created lots of feathers using different shapes and sizes of the white paper. Now I am taking one more white color cardstock and extending the body of the peacock so that we can connect the feather on top of this. This is just a random shape. Now I will fussy cut the shape of the peacock using my scissor. So this is done. Now I will start adding all the feathers one by one. like this. Isn't it looking gorgeous? Oh, I'm loving it. So this is the first part where I have shown you how to create the peacock. Stay tuned for the next part where I will show you all the flowers and the decoration. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.